Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to change alarm interval on Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, all you have to do is click the digital clock on your home screen. And after that, okay, click the 2 dot on the upper right side on your screen. And click settings. And okay guys, here in settings, in alarm portion, okay, you can see the interval. And okay guys, the interval is set to 5 minutes. And okay guys, to change the interval, okay, you'll have to do is click interval. And the pop-up are show. And okay guys, now you can change the interval into 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 25 minutes, or 30 minutes. And okay guys, I decide to change the interval into 30 minutes. And okay guys, I select 30 minutes. And okay guys, here we have successfully changed the interval into 30 minutes. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully changed the alarm interval in Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.